Venkata Satish, previous question is 3 power 5 factorial divided by 82. You only tell me which power of 3 when divided by 82 I will get plus 1 or minus 1. That is only possible for 3 power 4 divided by 82 is minus 1. That is the reason I wrote this number as 4k. That's the number. That's the reason I wrote that number as 4k. Next one. 5 power 193 divided by 24. 5 power 193 divided by 24. Try to solve this question. Which power of 5 when divided by 24 I will get 1. 5 square divided by 24. 25 divided by 24 is 1. 5 square power 5 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are into 5 power 1 divided by 24. 25 divided by 24 is 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Fifth one. Which power of numerator? What is the entire idea? Numerator power x when divided by denominator, I should get plus or minus 1. I should get plus or minus 1. This is the entire idea model 3 revolves around. Model 3 revolves around. Third one. Fifth one. Priyanka, after the class, watch the class again. It will be crystal clear to you. Fifth one. Sixth one. Sixth one. Reminder when 13 power 140 divided by 170. 13 power 140 divided by 170. Which power of 13 when divided by 170 I will get you plus 1 or minus 1. 13 square power 70 divided by 170. 169 divided by 170. Minus 1. Minus 1 power odd. I am getting plus 1. I hope is model 3. Is model 3 clear to all? Kindly reply with an yes in the answer. Is model 3 clear to all? Kindly reply. You yourself can understand question number 3. I know that you can understand it on your own. Just put some time. Put some time. Because if I keep on explaining every simple thing, sometimes you will may become over dependent on me, which I want to kill it. Priyanka, try it. If you are not getting it, I am there. I am there. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Model 3. Harshit, after the class, please check the video once again. Check the video once again. Sixth one. I hope it is clear. Model 4. In model 3, what is the difference between model 3 and model 4? Here, numerator power x divided by denominator. It is plus or minus 1. All the cases, whatever I took, numerator is less than the denominator. Power 120 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Positive remainder is 2. 2 power 120 divided by 5. Which power of 2 when divided by 5? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 divided by 5. Minus 1. Next one. Rambabu, konja screen jodu. Is the screen visible right now? I think it is visible. Second one. Second one. 13 power 141 divided by 5. 13 power 141 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. What is the positive remainder? 3. 3 power 141 divided by 5. Which power of 3? Right? Which power of 3 when divided by 5? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 3 square power 70 into 3 power 1 divided by 5. 9 by 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Second problem, I hope it is clear. Second problem, I hope it is clear. 13 power 141. 13 power 141 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Positive remainder is 3. Positive remainder is 3. 3 square power 70 into 3 power 1. 9 divided by 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 1 3s are 3. Third question. 5 2s are 10. What is the positive remainder? 3. 3 power 141 divided by 5. Which power of 3? 3 square power 70 into 3 power 1 by 5. 9 divided by 5 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 1 3s are 3. Third one. Third one. Third one. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. 32 power 32 is divided by 7. 32 power 32 is divided by 7. 32 power 32 divided by 7. Now see here. 7 4s are 28. Positive remainder is 4. 4 power 32 is divided by 7. 4 power 32 is divided by 7. Which power of 4 when divided by 7 I will get plus 1 or minus 1? 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 7 is 2. So 4 cube is 64. 4 cube power 10 into 4 square divided by 7. 64 by 7. It is 1. 16 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. What is the positive remainder? 2. Again I am explaining. Listen very, very carefully every problem. 32. 32 power 32 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 4 power 32 divided by 7. Which power of 4 when divided by 7? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 cube power 10 into 4 square. 64 divided by 7 is 1. 16 by 7 is 2. Next one. Fourth problem. Fourth one. 11 power 11. 11 power 11 divided by 9. 11 power 11 divided by 9. So this is nothing but 9 ones are 9. What is the positive remainder? 2. 2 power 11 divided by 9. 2 power 11 divided by 9. Which power of 2 when divided by 9 I will get plus 1 or minus 1. So it is 2 cube power 3 into 2 square divided by 9. So 8 divided by 9, it is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Positive remainder is plus 5. It is 2 cube power 3 into 2 square. 2 cube is 8. 8 divided by 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Into 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Positive remainder is 5. Positive remainder is 5. Right? Now, Rajat, you can also do it with the negative remainder. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. Answer will not change. One question I will do it by using negative remainder. Negative remainder. Now see here. Rajat, for you. This is by using positive remainder. Now let us do by using negative remainder. Negative remainder is 7 5s are 35 minus 3. Minus 3 power 32 divided by 7. Minus power even is plus. So this will be reminder 1, 3 power 32 is divided by 7. 3 power 32 divided by 7. 3, which power of 3 when divided by 7 I will get plus 1 or minus 1, which is 3 cube power 10 into 3 square divided by 7. 27 divided by 7 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 9 divided by 7 is 2. Either by using positive remainder or by using negative remainder, answer will be same. Answer will be same. I hope it is clear. Answer will be same, right? What is the doubt? Which can we write 2 power 6? For what? Which number you are writing 2 power 6? Right? Which number, Maheshwar? Maybe you are referring to 32, which is 2 power 5. That also will give you the same answer. Please check it out on your own.